Hello YouTube, my name is Zoltan Geller and I want to record this video because I'm just turning 40 years old and I think this is a truly great opportunity to restart my YouTube channel. I always wanted it and I always procrastinated, but I think this is the perfect opportunity. And also very important that I want to make a commitment publicly because it increases the chance that I will follow through. So I want to make the next part of the video about the commitment itself. So there are two commitments I want to make, and one of them is that I will reach the living cost for my YouTube income, and the other thing is go high level. But I want to explain how it goes because I think it's very important for you, also for future purposes, also for future planning. So I want to share the vision with you, my vision, and also give you some sort of um. So this is my current YouTube channel income. It was 1.12 pounds, and after 60-day payout, so currently I haven't even reached the threshold, but the concept is validated, so YouTube channel can generate income. I want to stand against this viral hype and this AI generated faceless video hype. I think the real self is always coming through, so my ugly face and my sexy accent will always dominate, and temporary it might be that AI and viral things will dominate YouTube, but have you heard that millions of YouTube channels, thousands of YouTube channels already are shut down? So I think on long term, authenticity will win, and the connections which we build will always dominate. So I wanted to share this before I start because when I mentioned I want to create a YouTube channel, many people always come with the same YouTube bullshit like a parent that they publish YouTube videos and then they earn income from YouTube actions. And of course, it is YouTube actions which I show you now, but this is not the main thing. The main thing is the connection I build with the authentic persons, and also I plan to put link, book a call now, and download my lead magnets. And through the emails, through the campaigns, the launch campaign, the ask campaign, the webinar funnel, the invisible campaign, I will set a much higher value. I think if you compare these two, it's truly visible, operational. That's okay. Once of this 1,000 YouTube views brings you like a $2-3 in essence revenue. But if you have a digital product, for example, course or coaching or consulting, training, whatever, it can be sold for how $500 or $1,000. So it can be a lot more, like a few hundred times more profitable ROI, and therefore I don't believe in the pure essence. So I want to share. I think this is also only pocket money compared to what I will share in the next segment of the video. I want to share one main difference. I think the usual YouTuber way is not a way you want, and it's not building a real asset. When you have a real asset, for example, below the video, there's a link to sign up to my email list, and email list is yours, is your digital asset, is your full ownership. But your YouTube channel belongs to YouTube. It's not your property. YouTube can shut it down anytime and they can check the algorithm anytime without your permission and without asking you. Your YouTube channel is not a real asset, just like every type of social media channels. If you build an email list from YouTube, the email list is your main digital asset. So I just wanted to make a difference because I think this mindset is crucial. And I call it the ownership method because from the YouTube ownership, from the YouTube channel, you have to transfer it to your email list, which is your only digital asset. I cannot stand when people worry about, for example, how much they earn from YouTube and then overnight it disappears. Of course, because it is not their own property, it's not their own asset, it's YouTube's. Just like Facebook or just like Instagram or just like Amazon Music also went under in a second because it is owned by Amazon and not by you. If you don't need email list, this is not a real business. It's not your digital asset. So I think it is very, very important. And I will show you techniques how you put links underneath the video to build your emails. It's very simple. A landing page, a lead magnet, and an opt-in funnel. It is crucial for your future, especially in the AI era. So the second income source, I want to show you my landing page, onlyfi.net, and this is the Go High Level page. So I think Go High Level is truly unique. Until now, I was always into creating courses, and I was wanting to create course and make a living out of creating courses, but I failed many, many times with my Udemy course, with my ebooks, and with my Kindle, and for a while it became me passive income, and I think it was totally passive. So I forget totally for 1 year, and then I found money on my account, my British account. And I think those who say that passive income doesn't really exist, I think they don't experience this. Totally, I think passive income do exist, and one of the ways to do it is, for example, Kindle or digital course on any other platform, but it's very important that, of course, this can go away. So, of course, you have to build an email list because that one can give you the opportunity to restart from any stage. So, that being said, I want to build an income source from Go High Level. This is very unique. Comparing the courses, it's not the same. Like the courses is like a the normal 9 to 5 is very bad, in my opinion. Living gig to gig like a freelancer is also very bad because your income always ties to your time. This is not scalable and you don't want this. But a digital course, it can be, but first of all, it's very competitive. It also gives you very too much stress because living lunch to lunch is very similar like living paycheck to paycheck or living gig to gig. I don't want it anymore because it's very stressful and also it doesn't give you as much value as it can be because less than 15% is who buy courses they ever open it. So they don't really, not just not finish, but they don't even open. That is very scary for me. But for me, the main thing is and the course gives it the structure, but very important, you give a scalable group coaching into the mix. So I lead you through it. For example, webinar group coaching is it makes it coaching, but not one-on-one, but scalable type of coaching. A third thing is an exclusive community, like school community, where similar mindset people can share their ideas, ask their questions, and not like option the owner, we participate in the group actively. So unlike I don't like these courses where there are few thousands of people and the owner is never presented. No, it's a very small group, very focused, but I will also actively participate in it. I think this makes it very scalable at the same time very accessible. Also, I want to mention why Go Higher and why I shifted from launches from Gualba. Launch always gives you the stress, the frustration that I have to build my list, and then I have to worry about the launch itself, and then I have to give a deadline, and after this, so it's not ideal. But any kind of software it provides you a recurring revenue, also very scalable and also reliable, so you can count on the money always will come in next month as well, and next month. So unlike a lunch to lunch, when it is always a big cash flow event, it's more like a stable source of income. And this is the reason why I changed to Go High Level because it makes it very easy to scale and you can white label a software solution, but without like writing a line of code. This is amazing, and also it can be scaled without you spending more and more money onto it. So it has the same price for unlimited accounts. I think there were few mindset shifts that I had to make in order to change my mindset from launching a course to launching Go However, and also like many Go However gurus, I want to create like I'm an affiliate of Go However, and if you purchase or subscribe to Go However with my affiliate link through my affiliate link, then you get my courses for free. And I never understood the business logic behind it, like many Go However gurus. Then I found it out. This is the reason why they do it this way, because this way they can validate and they can put as high price as they want, so they can truly white label every single part, but without the headache of building a software yourself. So I think as many heard of it, I will talk about this one in the next part. But first, I wanted to mention why this shift happened inside me. So I don't want to launch a course already. I want to be a Go level affiliate, and as a part of it, I want to launch my courses for free. Finally, let me close with the two main comment plans I want to make in this video. The first is YouTube related, so I want to record and publish one video a day for the coming 90 days. So it's a challenge, and it will keep me going despite all the challenges. I know a lot of small things about YouTube, but not all the way down. And I find out, okay, the best way to do it is to learn how I do it. So in action. And as I learn new and new things, I will publish it on YouTube. The second common fund I want to make is the Go Higher income, or my general income, also from YouTube AdSense and also the Go Higher affiliate. So both together, we reach at least 1,000 a month monthly take home pay. The end of the month, $1,000 will hit my account. And I think there's not more powerful commitment than what I make on publicly on YouTube. So please follow me and join and subscribe to my channel, because this way I can share my findings along the way, and I can give you explanation that no matter where you are now, it can be learned. Also YouTube publishing, and also Go higher level. And I think you don't have to be an expert to get started. Of course, along the way, and when you look back, you will be worried about the quality of the recording, but I think you can always start. And I want to make these two commitments publicly. So the first is I will publish on YouTube 90 days straight, maybe longer, but first just 90 days. Second is that my overall income, Go higher affiliate, will reach at least $1,000 per month. Along the way, I will keep you updated, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also comment here your commitment, because I think there's no more powerful way than to publicly commit to a result. So see you in the next video, and I hope you achieve your dreams.